Why don't you start out by saying like what we do, and then I'll take over and say that
What
we're
we do?
collabing. Like what we're doing.
Oh, who am I? First of all, get to know me.
Good question.
Hi guys, welcome back to Valeria's channel. It's Emma and Jess. If you're new here, welcome to the fam. Subscribe and hit the bell. If you're not new here, welcome back. And
You're probably like, why are
am
you
I looking
here?
at your faces right now?
We have decided to surprise a very pregnant Valeria with an office makeover because it's long overdue. This place,
Just like her.
This place is so sad looking. So today we are bringing in a designer named Jackie, who you'll meet in a little bit. We also want to say a huge thanks to Wayfair for sending a bunch of awesome stuff over that we can decorate with. We're gonna surprise Valeria at the end of the day, and hopefully she loves it and it makes her go into labor.
And hopefully you love it too. Now follow us along as we
Makeover, 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 makeover. We are here with Jackie, and Jackie, do you want to tell them a little bit about who you are, what you do?
So I'm Jaclyn Harper. I own Harper Designs in Burlington, Ontario. So I don't get to come out to Toronto that often. This is a super fun project. I saw the office space on Valeria's Instagram feed and thought, you know what? We could use some artwork for sure, because look at these walls, right?
Yeah.
So to start, of course, you guys kind of alluded to your color schemes.
Yes.
So lots of pinks. We're thinking girly, pops of white, little bits of gold here and there.
Yeah.
We're in a shared office space, so we had to be very careful with the desks that they have. So we're giving them a quick little DIY makeover, and we'll bring you guys along for that. We ordered all the furniture. Everything's here, so we're gonna set up today. Roll out the new rug, and then we're gonna go accessory shopping, which is the best part. Zhuzh it all up,
Yes.
get the reveal ready for Valeria, and
Cool.
bring her in.
Honey bunny, why are you walking away? Baby, lost your tongue somewhere, don't know what to say. Stop and run around, oh you act like a kid.
Good job, Jess.
Thanks. Very nice.
That's gorgeous.
Fancy. We got the little chairs set up.
They look awesome.
So we were just taking some measurements to decide how big the artwork's gonna be. We need something else for the windowsill here, so you can see that we've started to kind of curate our books, but I'd love to see some height in this corner. It's tricky because we are working with a lot of glass in this office. I'd love to see some artwork to kind of break that up, so I've taken my measurements and we're gonna go shopping.
We're finding some really cute stuff. Jackie obviously is very experienced with this and knows how to pull. So.
It can be overwhelming, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
just there's so many options. So we're done.
Yay!
That was not awkward at all.
This is the commitment you make to office makeover.
Absolutely worth it.
Not yet. No, no, no.
Oh, wrong floor.
Now it's just basically going through what we got and choosing what we keep and
Right.
what we take back.
We always bring more than we need, because you'll see once you start styling things, it depends on the artwork, it depends on certain curated items too.
Got a couple of different paintings to go up. Not sure which ones yet. And some little trinkets and some pencils. On brand.
On brand. Oh my gosh, guys. It's completely level.
It's level.
It's literally completely level.
Goodness, what a good trick.
That's
so cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so good.
And then we're gonna do Polaroids here.
Okay.
Again, this is a fun little tip because most people would think to just center that.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
In the
yeah,
middle of the wall, and you can get pretty creative with it.
So,
Oh
we're done.
my goodness. Do you see this space? It looks like a brand new office. I'm so excited to show them.
Me too.
They're
Yeah.
gonna be so in love with it.
So we're gonna bring the other girls in first, and then Valeria's coming back from an appointment, so we're gonna bring her in soon. It'll be any
It'll
minute
be
now,
a
so-
total surprise.
Welcome to your new space. What do you think?
Oh my god, this is so cute.
Look at the little chairs and stuff.
The art is like pretty cool.
Like, how fun is this? Take a seat, Gian. Let's see.
Test it out.
Oh,
wow.
Yeah, girl.
You'll be inspired to do great work, right?
Look, and you even have a little trinket box.
I should put candies in it.
You can hear now.
Comfy these chairs are.
We have to deck out our office
Exactly.
now, too.
Our office like looks nothing like this.
I know. This used to be my desk, and now it's beautiful.
Oh, I'm so glad you guys like it.
It'll be sweet photos.
So I think Valeria's on her way right now. I'm just gonna go see and kind of bring her in. So
Okay.
hopefully it's good.
Yeah, hopefully her water doesn't break on the new road. I wonder if she's coming.
Okay, so I had the best foot massage ever. Better get induced. Why you being weird?
So we have a little surprise for you.
Is it gonna make me go into labor?
Let's go. I wanted to like design this room for a really long time. So we decided to finally do it. So we brought
Oh
it.
my
So are you
god!
ready?
Yes.
Okay, come.
You guys!
How
Oh my god!
Come in.
This is your new office.
Welcome.
Babe, look at this. Come on in.
Welcome to Valeria 8.
You guys know I work in here too, right?
Yeah,
It is really nice.
Oh my god! This is amazing. You guys did such a good job.
Really, it's very nice. I like the lighting.
Okay, baby, you can be born now because I need to come to the office. Jackie, you killed it.
Thank you.
Oh my god. I did not expect this.
from the girls.
Well, but this
You guys, do you want me to treat you with McFlurries? Thank you so much, Jackie,
You're
for
so
making this
welcome.
happen. I have to say, I didn't think this space can look like this.
We had so much fun turning this around.
Really? Oh.
It's so feminine, it's flirty, and hopefully inspiring.
Yes, definitely. It looks amazing.
Thank
you so much
Valeria.
again. If you guys want to see more of Jackie's work and just how she transforms spaces, I'm gonna link her blog, YouTube, and Instagram, and you guys can get inspired. And yay! Okay, I'm gonna go sit down in my chair. Bye.